Are you struggling to style checkboxes in your Angular application using Bootstrap? You're not alone. Many developers face this issue, and today we're going to solve it together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when everything else in your application looks great, but the checkboxes just look plain and outdated. It can feel like a small detail, but it really impacts the overall user experience. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "Why do my Bootstrap checkboxes look like plain old checkboxes in my Angular app?" If this sounds familiar, stick around as we explore the solution. So what's going on here? Bootstrap provides styles for checkboxes, but sometimes they don't apply correctly in Angular applications due to how Angular handles forms and bindings. Let's break it down. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will help you customize your checkboxes even further. To customize the Bootstrap checkbox in the Angular application, the user should first ensure they are using the correct Bootstrap version. In this case, Bootstrap version 3 is being used. Next, the user should add the necessary Bootstrap classes to the checkbox. This can be done by wrapping the checkbox input in a div with the class checkbox and using a label for better accessibility. After that, the user should ensure that the Angular Forms module is imported in their application module. This is crucial for using ng model with forms. Finally, the user can customize the checkbox further by adding custom CSS styles if needed. This can enhance the appearance to match the desired design. Fun fact, did you know that the first checkbox was created in the 1980s? It's amazing how far we've come in UI design since then. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to customizing Bootstrap checkboxes is to use Font Awesome for styling. This user suggests creating custom checkboxes and radio buttons by hiding the default input elements and using Font Awesome icons to represent their states. The user provides CSS for styling the checkboxes, including animations for when they are checked. They also include HTML examples for implementing these custom checkboxes and radios in a form. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. This user points out that the checkbox style you're aiming for resembles the Mac OS checkbox style. They note that this style will appear quite different on other devices. Both screenshots you provided show how checkboxes look on Mac OS and Chrome, with the gray checkbox appearing at non-100% zoom levels. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests that if your Bootstrap checkbox isn't styled, you can add a CSS rule for appearance. Specifically, for Bootstrap 5, you should include the appearance property in your CSS file. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Experiment with Bootstrap's custom styles to create unique checkboxes that fit your application's theme. It can really enhance your user interface. And there you have it. Your checkboxes should now look stylish and modern. Remember, small details can make a big difference in user experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.